Learning decimalization. The main concept in this I'll explain is how to convert any fractions, proper or improper, to converting into decimal form. Some simple techniques let us see. So when you notice the first proper fraction, just if you see 1 by 2, because it's a second half of, you know that 1 by 2 is half of the 1, that is 0.5. Yeah, if you take the third if you take thirds means that is 1 over 3. You can see those 1 over 3, 2 by 3. Okay, 2 over 3 or 2 by 3 same. So 2 by 3, we know 3 by 3 is 1. Here is 2 by 2 is 1. So only for the proper fractions I will show this. So 1 divided by 3, 0.33, so on. It repeats. Then 2 by 3 is just 2 into 1 by 3 it is. So 2 into 0.33 is 0.66, so on. Okay, this is the thirds. Let us continue till tenths how to do. Likewise, fourths. Yeah, if you see once fourths concept, so that is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and 3 by 4. Let us see in this. What we need to remember, what we can take. So already 1 by 2 is 0.5. 2 by 4 also is nothing but 1 by 2 only. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 1 by 2. That means this is nothing but 0.5 itself. And only 1 by 4 is 1 fourth. So 0.25. Total 1 is out of 100, 1 fourth is 25, right? So 1 fourth of this is 0.25. And 3 fourth is 0.75. Same you can notice. 0.5 means you can imagine 50. 0.25, 5075 like this. And see the fifths of the change in this. So in this fifths, okay, if any difference. So what we need to remember and what we have to directly we can guess. So 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay, if you notice this, 1 divided by 5 is 0.20 and this is 0.40, is 0.60. Just directly you can remember this. This is 0.80. 20, 40, 60, 80. So plus 20 type you can imagine and remember. That is for the fifths. Sixth we need to memorize only two new answers. Just notice the sixth. So in this what we have to remember is the fifth. So sixth is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6 and 4 by 6, 5 by 6. In this sixth you should remember only extra two new answers. Only two new. That is 1 by 6 is 0. This is 166, so on. But 2 by 3 is same like 1 by 3. 1, 3. So only 1 by 3 you will learn, that is 0.33, so on. And 3 by 6 also, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 by 2. So 0.5 it is. And 4 by 6 is 2, 3. Same 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 value is 0.66, so on. You can remember. Only 5 by 6 extra you need to remember, 0.833, so on. Okay, only 1 by 6 and 5 by 6 extra you need to remember. Remaining all are from the previous. And let's have 7th, 8th and 9th also after this. And before 7th, okay, let me show the 7th also. Some important technique is there in 7th. I'll show that. Okay, if you see the question 1 by 7, you need to remember, no, this is a 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. Similarly, we need to remember 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 value. Only first one if you remember, remaining all values it can get. Okay, first one, only 1 by 7 value is 0.142857. So it's bar. That means 142857 repeat continuously. 142857, 142857 like this. This is 1 by 7 value. And when you notice 2 by 7, same 0 point. From 2 will begin. 28. 285714. Once you can notice this repeating process. Same 142857 only. From 2 onwards it begin. 285714. Right? See some simple logic in this. 3 by 7 is 0. It will start with 4. Because increasing number. Starting with 1 now. Next is 2. Next with 4. Yeah, continuation. After 4, next to 28571. 28571. Yeah, this is the 7th cause. And 4 by 7, 0 point, next to 5. After 4, the next number is 5 now. Means in order, if you see the order, ascending order. 5 means next to continuation. 5, 7. Here is cycling. 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8. And similarly 5 by 7. So 0 point, after 5, next number is 7. It is begin number. The continuation 1, 4, again 2, 8, 5. This bar on this is repeat continuously. Same 6 by 7 is 0 point, next big number is 8. So after 8 continuation is 5, 7, next 1, 4, 2. So it's cycling type. So this is a revolving number. So that I will show you also. This is actually one of the revolving number concept. It will repeat for 7s. You can only one you can remember, first one, automatically remaining all we can write. This for 7. And let's have the 8s is in this different. In 8s it's a 1 by 8. Okay, 2 by 8. This also easily we can guess all the values and write answers. 3 by 8, 4 by 8, and 5 by 8, 6 by 8, then 7 by 8. If you see the answer, 1 by 8 is just, it is 0.125. So plus 125 plus 125 should add for continuously. 0.125 into 2. So 0.250 and plus 125. So 0.375. 0.500 because plus 125 just I'm adding. 0.625. Okay, 0.750 because what 625 plus 125 is just 750. You can remember in that way. So 0. This is 875. Right, this is for 8s. And 9ths and 10ths are simple. So if you notice this 9s, that is direct we can get if any number. So 1 over 9, 0.1 bar, just simple. So 2 by 9 is 0.2 bar because repeat 0.222 so on. And 3 by 9 is 0.3 bar. 4 by 9 is equal to 0.4 bar. Okay, same as this. And 5 by 9 0.5 bar. That means 0.55 repeats. 6 by 9 is equal to 0.6 bar. And 7 by 9 0.7 bar. And 8 by 9 is equal to 0.8 bar. 8 bar means 0.888 repeats, same in that way. And tenths is simple. 1 by 10 is 0.1, 2 by 10 is 0.2, 3 by 10 is 0.3. That is simple. So main thing in this, these are the process in learning decimalization. If you can remember just slightly this, anything you can multiplication also you can do. For example, if they asked, okay, 7 by 3. This is nothing but you can write 7 into 1 by 3, right? So 1 by 3 value you remembering already from this. Just you can multiply with 7. In that way also we can reduce the divisions into decimal form in simple way. It's a simple trick. Just to try to remember. And those let us see once again about this 7th. So there is a one revolving number. I would like to share here that also. So based on this 7th concept, if you notice, no, 1 by 7 is equal to 0.42857. It's repeating continuously. So based on that, there is a one revolving number. revolving number concept I'll show here. Okay, so in this, if you notice, same 142857. 142857 is, we can call this is a Miss revolving number. Yeah, this one, if you multiply with 1, right? This number if you multiply with 1, you'll get same. That we know that 142857. And for example, same number 142857, just multiply with 2. Same digits will repeat like this. So 285714. Same how we did. So up to 6 you'll get the same. How we did the 9 sevens we did no same concept will here. You notice this. So 142857 into 3 you take. 142857 into 4 and 142857 into 5 and 142857 into 6. Up to 6 the digits will be repeated. You can notice this. So if you into 3's, it start with 4 because after 2 next number is 4. Just continuation 4 2 8 5 7 1 6 digits. Next they start with 5 5 7 1 4 2 8. Same cycling 5 no next to 5 7 next to 1 4 2 8. This is 7. So 1 4 2 8 5. This is 8 5 7 1 4 2. Okay, this is the revolving number we can say. This is some technique based on the seventh of concept only. And if you take with 7, you will not get as this. Up to 6 only this. For example, 1 4 2 8 5 7 into multiply with 7, if you do, what will get? You will get all the 9s. And with the 8 is again different. So only up to 6 only we can notice this. Okay, so one of the great mathematician has given these concepts. You can apply even this in 7s also. Okay, so these are the things we can use for converting into decimalization. Next, I'll explain how to do some rules, important rules in divisibility properties I'll show.